Hi everyone, I'm Lori Click with Remax Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and surrounding areas. Today's video is about 3 tips for getting you ready to sell your house in the fall. Having your home stand out will help you bring in more eager buyers and help you get more money for your home. Tip number 1, cleaning up. In this seller's market, cleaning up the outside of your home to maximize the curb appeal could get you more money. By painting the front door, using fall decor, and cleaning up the exterior of your home, it gives the buyers the confidence that your home is ready to move into and well maintained. Tip number 2, heating and cooling system. Have your heating and cooling system inspected and cleaned prior to listing. The heating and cooling system is a red flag to the buyers if anything is not working properly. Buyers like to use this as a big ticket item for a contract discount or credit. This can be solved by some minor maintenance items completed to your system. Also, you can provide a receipt showing that it's already been completed. Tip number 3, fireplace. Buyers love when the weather turns chilly and they can see you have a fireplace. Whether it's gas logs or a wood-burning fireplace, it's a great time in the fall to have your chimney inspected and swept. This inspection should be done by a professional chimney company. Selling a home in the fall with some extra effort and the correct price will help to expedite the sale of your home and maximize your sale price. Have you used any of these tips to sell your home? I'm interested. Comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Please share this video with your friends or family and hit the like button. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first and your dream home is only a click away.